Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of your yoga challenge. So today's theme is core strength. Don't worry, we are not going to do any boring board poses or abs. We are going to do something really fun to activate that core region of yours. Let's start. Now we'll simply start with a cross-legged pose with your spine straight. Rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes and just take a deep inhale into your complete body. And a deep exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. And with an inhale, open your eyes with complete awareness into this moment. Now, with an inhale, lift the arms up over your head with your spine straight. And with an exhale, turn your arms to the left hand side. Try bringing them in a straight line and look at the wall behind you. Inhale to lift the arms up straight over your head. And exhale, this time turn to the right hand side. Look at the wall behind you. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, turn to the left hand side. Try to use that core region to turn yourself more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to right hand side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to left hand side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to right hand side. Inhale, arms up. And this time as you exhale, bring the hands again to the left hand side and try dropping your left palm back on the floor. You can stay on your palm or you can come down on the elbow, stretch the right hand up and really lengthen the right side of your body. Keep your head hanging down, looking towards the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With an inhale, bring the hand in front. And again, take a deep inhale. Lift the arm up over your head. Exhale, turn to the right hand side. From here, gently drop your right palm back on the floor. Or you can try coming down on your elbow. With a deep inhale, stretch the left hand up. Look down at the floor. Lengthen the left side of your body. And hold for 1 breath. And with an exhale, gently bring the left hand down, relax here completely. From here, fold the knees, sit down into a Vajrasana Sthiti. Now let's warm up the spine. So interlock your fingers, take a deep inhale here. And with an exhale, stretch your arms in front, round the back completely, look down at your navel. Inhale to lift the arms up, unlock your hands, drop the fingertips back on the floor. Roll the shoulders back, open the collarbones, bring the chest out and just try lifting the chin up to gaze at the ceiling. Let's hold for 1 deep inhale. And with an exhale again, round your back, interlock your fingers, look down at the chest. Inhale to stretch the arms back, fingertips on the floor, a mild gentle chest opening. Again, exhale to round it back. Inhale to chest opening. Now you can choose to remain on the fingertip or you can come down on the palm, whatever feels comfortable. From here, again try lifting the chest higher and just lift the hip gently up. Now not too much up like a camel pose, we are not trying to do that. So just a gentle lift in the hip region to straighten up your front body from your knee to your chest. And feel that activation in your thighs. Hold for 1 breath. And with an exhale, drop the hip back on the floor. Place your palms on the ground and tucking your toes, land directly into a forward fold. You can choose to keep your knees slightly bent. Land your belly on your thighs, relax your neck. And just look down at your knees. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With a deep inhale, place your hands on your knees. Inhale to lengthen your spine, look in front at the tip of your nose. Bring the chest out. And with an exhale, again fold into a standing forward fold. From here, just walk your hands forward and directly come into a downward facing dog. So your palms are resting on the floor. Try touching your heels on the floor, or you can also choose to keep them up, whatever feels good here. Now with a deep inhale, step the right leg forward outside your right hand. Your hands are coming inside the right leg. Now watch this transition very carefully. From here we are going to lift the left leg up and we are going to walk that left leg forward in the air like this. And with an exhale, we'll take the left leg back into the lizard pose. We'll go for 2 more rounds of this. Inhale, step the left leg forward in the air. You can try touching the left toe or not. Step the left leg back again into lizard. 1 more round, step the left leg forward. Try touching the toe and exhale to step your left leg back in the mountain. From here, with the jump, change your legs and step your left leg forward outside the left hand. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and take the jump. Now, we are going to repeat the same drill with the right leg. So let go of the left hand support, step the right leg forward, try tapping your right toe with the left hand and step the right leg back into a lizard pose. Again, step the right leg forward, try tapping the right toe, exhale, step the right leg back into a lizard pose. 1 more round, inhale, right leg forward, exhale to right leg back. From here, gently step your left leg back into a downward facing dog. Normalize your breath and notice that fun activation in your core. And from here, gently drop your knees on the ground, come into a tabletop position. We're not done yet with the flow, we'll be going back into mountain. I'm just giving you 1 breath rest. So take a deep inhale here. And with a deep exhale, tucking your toes, come back into a downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up straight into a 3-legged dog pose. And exhale, step the right leg forward between your hands. With a deep inhale, lift the arms up over your head into a high lunge pose. Try lengthening your spine, feel the stretch from your arms to the belly and to your waist. Now again, watch this fun transition very carefully. Bring the hands down in the center of your chest, Namaskar Mudra. And from here, just take a swing and step directly into a warrior 3. You can choose to take the hand support or you can keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. From here, without letting your hand touch the ground, start moving the left leg forward and try to sit down into a pistol squat. If not, you can also take the hand support to come into this pose. Gently drop your butt on the floor, lift the legs up at 90-degree angle or into a full boat pose. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale to cross your legs. Take a jump back into a downward facing dog. Just hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now this time with a deep inhale, step the left leg forward between your hands. Inhale, lift the arms over your head into a high lunge pose. Again, try like you're reaching for the ceiling, like you're trying to touch that roof above your head. Take a deep inhale here. And with an exhale, bring the hands down in Namaskar Mudra in the center of your chest. And you know what to do next. Take a swing and directly land into a warrior 3. You can choose to take the hand support or you can keep your arms in the air. Enjoy this wobbliness, and from here with complete balance, start moving the right leg forward, move the butt down to sit down into a pistol squat. Gently drop your hip back on the floor, lift the legs up into half boat pose. Or if you want to challenge yourself even more, you can directly come into a low boat pose with your back completely pressing against the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your head on the ground, bend the knees, bring them above your chest. Hug the knees into Pavanmuktasana. And just relax here. Notice the space in your lower back. And gently release your knees. Open your arms straight on the floor. Lift the legs up at 90-degree angle. Point your toes up towards the ceiling and just drop your right foot down on the floor. Now from here, start moving the left leg close to your belly without using your hand support. Try to keep the left knee straight. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the left leg at 90-degree angle. Join the right leg here and then drop the left leg down, this time on the floor. Keep your right toe pointed. Try bringing the right thigh close to the belly. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg straight at 90-degree angle. Join the left leg straight with the right one and then gently drop your knees back on the floor. From here, just straighten up your legs. Open your arms towards the sky. Let your feet fall down towards the ground. And just take a deep inhale. And a deep exhale. Deep inhale. And a deep exhale. Enjoy your Shavasana practice by being fully aware of your breath movement. Just enjoy the sensation of your breath, the movement of your breath inside the body. And every time you get distracted from your breath, just call yourself back with a deep inhale. So this was day 4 of your yoga challenge. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow on your mat with new flow. Bye.